If you want to enable breakout rooms for Zoom, the first thing you want to do is open a web browser and go to zoom.us. So I just want to make a note, we are not using the Zoom application, we are using the web-based version of Zoom to access our settings. So zoom.us, and once you've signed in, using whatever credentials you normally sign in for on your basic account, I'm going to navigate over here to the left sidebar and find my settings. So for now, I'm looking at meeting. That's what's turned blue here at the top. It's highlighted. So these are my meeting settings. So I'm going to roll down. There's lots of different things. I definitely encourage you to take a look at these different features that you might want to turn on or off. But we're actually looking for the breakout rooms. So we are going to roll down on the meeting settings until we see in meeting under advanced, and breakout room is an option, so you can toggle that feature on, and notice underneath you have the option to allow the host to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling, so you can toggle this feature on as well. So that's all you need to do. Once you've toggled this feature on or off, we want to make sure it's on. It needs to be saved, and so you see a little pop-up that says your settings have been updated. So once you do that, when you start a Zoom meeting, when you're looking at your Zoom meeting, you notice at the bottom you see this option here for breakout rooms. So when you select the breakout rooms, you can automatically assign participants, and right now I have 0. So it says assign 0 participants into, and it gives me the option to choose as many rooms. If I have 25 students, I might have 5 rooms with 5 students each, and I can either have it automatically send my students to those breakout rooms, or I can manually put those students in the rooms. And once I choose my option, I can choose Create Breakout Rooms. For more tips and tutorials, follow us on social media at Fried Technology or at friedtechnology.com.